Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, today's tea is about Cassper Nyovest. Cassper Nyovest has been trending lately, trending for all the bad reasons, okay? Now he is trending for cheating. Last time he was trending because of cheating also. So it is alleged that Cassper Nyovest has a secret child who is about 2 to 3 years old, guys. And if I'm not mistaken, his firstborn is like 4 years now. If I'm not mistaken, I stand to be corrected on that. So Cassper Nyovest was trending for cheating on his baby mama the time they were together while the child was sick with cancer. After that, we have had a lot of news after that. We also discovered that he is allegedly cheating with someone called Bunolo, that he even bought a polo for that person. And now there are rumors, there are allegations that he is allegedly he has a child with Bunolo, the one that people were saying that Ugel was receiving a polo from Cassper Nyovest. So it is alleged that Cassper Nyovest is or has a child with Bunolo. So this is what was written, guys. In this was the comment section, and it is allegedly, né? So this person says that there's a lady by the name of Bunolo, her and Bulane, who is Cassper's wife, were the ones up for marriage according to Maftownian people of fans. Bunolo is the one with Cassper's child, and the child is said to be 2 to 3 years old, and Bulane knows her very well, allegedly. Thus, Tobeka and this guy relationship was doomed from the beginning. If all of this is true, their relationship was not going to work. But remember, Koto was born in 2020. He's now 4 years old, and if all about Bunolo is true, I give up Cassper. So Koto is Cassper's first child. So this person is alleging that Cassper Nyovest has a secret child, and the wife already knows about the secret child, and she doesn't mind. She is just minding her business and minding her marriage. Goningi man, ziyakhala. One thing about Cassper, I feel like this whole thing is just ruining his character, ruining his career in some way, because once you start trending for all the wrong reasons, you lose some fans because people are just not so impressed. They are saying that how this guy has been saying all along, he has accepted Christ. Manje, we have news that are so unsettling about him. So now it's like he painted a picture of something that he is not, which is what people don't like, But yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.